Please click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon to get the latest notifications. Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how you can convert your mono recording to stereo recording in your iPhone devices. So without any further more delay, let's begin. So first of all, what you need to do is you need to go to the App Store. In the App Store, you need to search for one application named as Hokusai. So you can see Hokusai audio editor. Just tap on it. As you can see here, a Hokusai audio editor. It's free of course, so don't worry, you don't need to purchase it. So as I've already downloaded and installed it, so I'm not going to do it again. So you download and install it. So once the installation is done, click open. On opening the application for the first time, you can see its user interface. So let me give you a quick overview. So how you can do that. So here is a plus button, as you can see above in the top right corner, and there is a settings. So I will not go much details in settings, directly I will show you. So what you need to do, you need to tap on plus, and here you can see your record options. So just tap on it. So you can see here ready to record. So once I press the microphone icon, it will start recording my voices. So I'm going to record it right now. Just before recording, first click this microphone and start recording. Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. So once you are done, you tap on the microphone again. Once you are done, click done. So you can see here, so the voice you are recording using this application is a mono one. So how you can convert it to stereo, just tap on this icon and you can see here convert to stereo. Just tap on convert to stereo, it will be converted to stereo. So in this way, it's very easy to convert your mono voice recording to stereo voice recording using these applications in your iPhone devices. So in my opinion, you should definitely check this application out, and once your editing everything is done or your voice recording is completed, so I will show you how you can save your audio recording. So you can see here above one icon, just tap on it and you can see here share audio, just tap on it. So you can see below, you can copy, you can save to files, that is the save to the file manager of your iOS devices. So click on save to files, click on my iPhone and click save. As I've already have the same name, so I'm going to replace, but if you're using it for the first time, you can directly save it. So in this way, you can save it in your phone memory, that is in the file manager itself, and you can use that file and later transfer to your PCs or any other devices, and you can later edit more further in your computer itself. So in my opinion, you should definitely check this application out and try recording using these applications and convert your mono voice recording into stereo very easily using these applications. So if you find this video information useful, click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.